Find the domain and range of f of x equals 3 log base invisible 10 of x minus 2 plus 1. Now the easy part of this is the range. This is a logarithmic function, which means when graphed it's going to look like that. So the range is going to be everything. Okay, it's going to be everything. You can get all the possible numbers going down to negative infinity. This is going to keep going up and to the right forever. Even though it increases at a decreasing rate, it's still going to go up and to the right forever. So the range is going to definitely be negative infinity to positive infinity no matter what. Let me write that out down here. Negative infinity, positive infinity. Now, the domain. The inside of a log must be a non-zero positive number. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to find out what numbers will keep x minus 2 greater than 0. Okay, well, if we just add 2 to both sides, then these are the numbers that should do it. Which tells us that the domain of this guy is going to be from 2, not including 2, all the way on for forever. The range is going to be any possible number, so if the domain is 2 and forever and the range is everything, we get B.